It's the granddaddy of bike tricks. Either you can do it or you can't. Today, we're gonna teach you how to wheelie.
Hey guys, doing a wheelie is something we've all desired to do since our very first bike ride. It's all about balance. Once you get it, you can ride the wheelie for miles. My buddy Cole is going to show us how it's done. Go ahead and do it, man. First, get comfortable pulling your front wheel up. Then push with your lead foot and lean back. Practice this riding around an empty parking lot, but don't use your straps just in case you have to bail. Now once you're able to get the front wheel up, you need to find a balance point. So try maybe going to a wall and holding on and finding that balance point until you get comfortable. But let's put it all together. Ride forward and pull the front wheel up. Once you push off your lead foot, lean back and find your balance point. Once you are locked in, remember it's a combination of shifting your body weight and the speed that you are pedaling.
Thank you, George. I'll have to practice that as soon as I'm done here. As always, hit us up on our Twitter if you want to talk or drop a comment below. Until next time, we'll see you in the streets.